Welcome to this video. This is ChatGPT and how to use ChatGPT with another software, Wordwall. How to use these two together to design flashcards for a teacher resource. So the first thing we need to do is we need to sign in to Wordwall with our account and then create activity. Click on create activity. Once you've done that, you scroll down to flashcards, and there we have our flashcards. We'll put a title on this, and we'll put pre-intermediate vocabulary. So then we choose the flashcard, either double-sided or single-sided. We'll do double-sided here. We'll do the word and the definition, because it's always a good way to learn the language. So now what we need to do is get our words. So let's, rather than type all of them in and type all the definitions, let's go over to ChatGPT and put an instruction in here. So let's put write 5 words in pre-intermediate ESL vocabulary. So let's see what GPT does. Well, it gives us 5 words. Okay, so now let's write in the we want the definitions. So let's write in let's GPT to ask for definitions. Write the definitions of these words only. Don't write the word, for example, accommodate. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT does. Well, it's writing the word and the definition. So that tells us something about ChatGPT. We have to be more specific to get it to do what we want. So let's write in another instruction. Let's write in write the definitions only with no numbers or words. And this time it's just given us the definitions. Okay, so we've now been more specific and we've got no numbers and no words. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put these 5 words into Wordwall. And if you just go in here where the front and the back are, if you just paste those, so you got the words on this side of the card. And now back to GPT, and now we're going to scroll down to the definitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the definitions. So we're going to put those 5 definitions into Wordwall. Yeah, so we've got 5 words, 5 definitions, and that was done quite quickly, really quicker than we would have had to type it all in. Now we could do 10 words quite easily rather than 5, just did 5 for the instruction. Click done. And then play. Now as you can hear, the sound is on, so we'll turn the sound effects off. And we see then that we've got the 5 words. So evaluate, we flip it, to assess something or judge the value, quality or importance of something. Okay, so we could give that a tick maybe, and then go on to number 2. Expand to increase the size, quality or scope, or to make something larger or more comprehensive. So there we are, we've got that done with the ticks there. That's nicely done. So then if you want to share that, you can share it here with your students, or you can go through it together. So that's how to use ChatGPT with Wordwall.